Tyrus from Fox News says exactly what I was thinking while Adam Schiff was questioning Pam Bondi. Check it out.
One of the things that we saw from Schiff was balance, because he was trying to find a way to ask, are you going to investigate me?
Yeah.
Like, that's all that was about. Is I'd like to ask a couple questions. So you're just going to have a blanket pardon for everybody that we went after, but like, are you going to go after Cheney?
The president also wants to jail Liz Cheney. Sitting here today, are you aware of any factual basis to investigate Liz Cheney? Yes or no?
Senator, that's a hypothetical, and I'm not going to answer that question.
No, it's not hypothetical. I'm asking you, sitting here today, whether you are aware of a factual predicate to investigate Liz Cheney.
And if she said yeah, then the next question would have been like, but I just wrote it. It's like, you know, your wife knows what you did. You can't come out and say, honey, that underwear is mine. You have to say, did you find anything unusual this week, dear? She's like, yes, zucchini was up 6 cents in the market. Okay, that's great. No, was there anything in the house particularly off?
Senator, no one
Based
has
on
asked
what you
me
know.
to investigate Liz Cheney. That is a hypothetical.
The president has called for it publicly. You are aware of that, aren't you?
No one has asked me to investigate
But the president
Liz.
has
We're
called,
also
the
worried
president,
about Liz Cheney,
the
Senator.
president has
You know what
called
we
for
should
this.
be worried about?
Ms. Bondi,
The
please
crime rate
answer
in
my
California
questions.
right now
You
is
are aware,
through the roof.
Ms. Bondi,
Your robberies are 87% higher than the national
My question
average.
is this.
And another thing that we should all know about Adam Schiff is the censoring. Now, hang in here with me. This is kind of long, and we're going to read it, though, but it's important. So hang in there. Just listen to this. Censoring Adam Schiff, representative of the 30th Congressional District of California, in the House of Representatives, U.S., June 21st, 2023. Whereas the allegation that President Donald Trump colluded with Russia to interfere with the 2016 presidential election has been revealed as false by numerous in-depth investigations, including the recent report by Special Counsel John Durman, which documents how the conspiracy theory was invented, funded, and spread by President Trump's political rivals. Whereas Representative Adam Schiff, who served as ranking minority member and then chairman of the Permanent Select Committee on Intelligence of the House of Representatives, the Intelligence Committee, occupied positions of extreme trust, affording him access to sensitive intelligence unavailable to most members of Congress. Whereas for years, Representative Schiff abused this trust by alleging he had evidence of collusion that, as is clear from reports by Special Counsel Robert Mueller, Department of Justice Inspector General Michael Horowitz, and Special Counsel Durman, never existed. Whereas for years, Representative Schiff has spread false accusations that the Trump campaign colluded with Russia, whereas on March 20th, 2017, Representative Schiff perpetuated false allegations from the Steele dossier, accusing numerous Trump associates of colluding with Russia into the congressional record, whereas once again abusing his privileged access to classified information. Representative Schiff released a memo justifying the accuracy of the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act warrant application on Trump associate Carter Page, of which was later found by Inspector General Horowitz to have 17 major mistakes and omissions, provoking FISA court presiding judge Rosemary Collier to state unequivocally that the Federal Bureau of Investigation misled the FISC. Whereas ranking minority member and chairman of the Intelligence Committee, Representative Schiff behaved dishonestly and dishonorably on many other occasions, including by publicly falsely denying that his staff communicated with the whistleblower to launch the first impeachment of President Trump. Whereas part of his impeachment efforts, during a hearing on September 26, 2019, Representative Schiff misled the public by reading a false retelling of a phone call between President Trump and Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. Whereas on March 28, 2019, every Republican member of the Intelligence Committee signed a letter calling for Representative Schiff's immediate resignation as chairman, Whereas Representative Schiff hindered the ability of the Intelligence Committee to fulfill its oversight responsibilities over the intelligence community, an indispensable pillar of our national security. And whereas these actions of Representative Schiff misled the American people and brought disrepute? I don't know, I'm probably butchering that, upon the House of Representatives. Now, therefore, be it resolved that the House of Representatives censors Adam Schiff, representative of the 30th Congressional District of California, for misleading the American people and for conduct unbecoming of an elected member of the House of Representatives. Whereas Representative Schiff hindered the ability of the Intelligence Committee to fulfill its oversight responsibilities over the intelligence community, an indispensable pillar of our national security. And, keeps it going, whereas the actions of Representative Schiff misled the American people and brought disrepute upon the House of Representatives, now therefore be it resolved that the House of Representatives censors Adam Schiff, representative of the 30th Congress, blah, 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 for misleading the American public and for conduct unbecoming of an elected member of the House of Representatives. Representative Adam Schiff will forthwith present himself in the well of House of Representatives for the pronouncement of censure. Representative Adam Schiff will be censored with the public reading of this resolution by the Speaker. And Representative Adam Schiff will forthwith present himself in the well of the House of Representatives for the pronouncement of censure. Representative Adam Schiff will be censored with the public reading of this resolution by the Speaker. And the Committee on Ethics shall conduct an investigation into Representative Adam Schiff's falsehoods, misrepresentations, and abuses of sensitive information. So why this guy is up there having any room to question Pam Bondi on things is ludicrous.